So how do you know if Soundly will work for you? Our therapy targets the base of the tongue, and there's actually a really simple test in order to identify if you are a tongue-based snorer. First, simply try to make the snoring sound with your mouth open, so like that. And then stick your tongue out as far as you can and then bite down. And then try to make that sound again. So notice that the sound was lessened. If that sound is less, that means that your tongue was getting in the way, and you, like me, are a tongue-based snorer. And Soundly will be a great way to help reduce your snoring.